Every day, millions of people enjoy ice cream from restaurants, fast food chains, cafes, ice cream parlors, and supermarkets around the world. But before many of these businesses can serve their frozen desserts, they rely on a special ingredient known as ice cream concentrate. Ice cream concentrate helps manufacturers and food businesses produce ice cream quickly, consistently, and efficiently. It is available in two forms: liquid concentrate and powdered concentrate. Let's discover how it's made. The journey begins at dairy farms, where fresh milk is collected from healthy cows. To preserve quality and freshness, the milk is rapidly cooled and transported to a processing facility. When the milk arrives at the factory, technicians collect samples and perform a series of quality tests. The milk must meet strict standards for safety, purity, and composition before production can begin. Once approved, the milk is transferred into large stainless steel storage tanks. Additional cream may be added to achieve the desired fat content required for premium ice cream products. The dairy mixture then passes through filtration systems that remove any remaining impurities. Next comes pasteurization. The mixture is carefully heated to eliminate harmful microorganisms and ensure food safety while preserving the quality of the dairy ingredients. After pasteurization, the mixture undergoes homogenization. During this process, high-pressure machines break down fat particles into microscopic droplets, creating a smoother and more stable dairy base. Now the concentration process begins. The dairy mixture enters large vacuum evaporators, where a significant portion of the water is removed. As water evaporates, the mixture becomes thicker and richer. The concentration of milk solids, proteins, and fats steadily increases. Eventually, a thick dairy concentrate is produced. This product is known as liquid ice cream concentrate. Large ice cream manufacturers often use this liquid concentrate because it can be pumped directly into their production systems, reducing preparation time and maintaining consistent quality. For some producers, the process ends here. However, many manufacturers continue to a second stage to create powdered ice cream concentrate. The liquid concentrate is pumped into a towering spray drying system. Inside the drying chamber, the concentrate is transformed into millions of tiny droplets and exposed to carefully controlled streams of hot air. The remaining moisture evaporates almost instantly. As the droplets dry, they become fine powder particles. These particles are collected using advanced cyclone separators and transferred to storage systems. The result is a lightweight powdered concentrate that retains many of the essential dairy components needed for ice cream production. The powder is then cooled, tested, and packaged into moisture-resistant bags and containers. Throughout the process, laboratory teams continuously monitor quality, ensuring that every batch meets strict manufacturing standards. So why is powdered concentrate so popular? Unlike liquid concentrate, powdered concentrate can be stored for longer periods, transported more easily, and used in locations without large dairy processing facilities. This makes it especially useful for restaurants, cafes, fast food chains, hotels, ice cream parlors, and small-scale ice cream businesses. To make ice cream, operators often simply mix the powder with water or milk, blend the ingredients, and load the mixture into an ice cream machine. The machine then freezes and churns the mixture into the creamy dessert customers enjoy every day. Whether used by a major ice cream factory or a neighborhood ice cream shop, concentrate plays a vital role in modern ice cream production. From fresh milk and advanced dairy processing to evaporation and spray drying, technology, every step is carefully controlled to create a product that helps businesses serve delicious ice cream efficiently and consistently. And that's how ice cream concentrate is made.